What is a SWOT analysis? It's a simple but useful framework to capture information. You can use this data for analysing the issues facing an organisation you are applying to. This will help you decide if the company is worth applying to, and also help you to prepare for questions around commercial awareness. Companies will use such a tool before launching new products or services. The SWOT analysis enables you to see the issues facing the organisation, using your strengths, minimise threats, and look at the greatest possible advantages of opportunities available to you. The SWOT analysis. Strengths. What is it good at? What products, services are the big sellers or give them an outstanding reputation? What would a competitor and client view as the business strengths? Weaknesses. What problems is it facing? Competition? Big bills that eat into the profits? What could be improved to make the business more competitive? Opportunities. What new markets are open to it? What trends is the sector seeing? Are there some of the business's strengths that can become its opportunities? Threats. What could harm the business? Who is the competition? What are they doing? How could it impact the business? What damage can your weakness do to their longer-term goals? To use the SWOT analysis tool for helping you to prepare for an application, you need to research the organisation. Not just their website, but tools such as Market Line Advantage, which is available via our library. Here are my tips. Be concise in your points. Rank what you feel are the most important strengths and weaknesses. Think in terms of the sector the organisation sits in and what its competitive advantages and disadvantages are. Remember that opportunities and threats are those that are most likely to occur, but not the only things that can happen. So consider if a company has a contingency plan it can use. Use your SWOT analysis to come up with a clear plan of action.